In this tutorial I will show you how to delete YouTube videos on mobile. If you want to delete a YouTube video on your mobile device, follow these easy steps. Start by opening the YouTube app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account that uploaded the video. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will bring up a menu with various options. From the menu, tap on View Channel to go to your channel page. Once you're on your channel, you'll see a list of all your uploaded videos. Tap on Manage Videos. Scroll through and select the video you want to delete. Next, tap on the 3 vertical dots next to the video. A few options will appear. Look for and tap on Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the video. Tap on Delete again to confirm, and the video will be removed from your channel. And that's it. Your YouTube video is now deleted.